Hi everyone. So now we have covered all the string functions. In string functions, you learned how to find out length of characters, change characters to upper or lowercase, find out substrings in a string, trim extra spaces or any other extra special character from a string, and to create an aggregate string. Let us test this out in this exercise. First, I want you to find out the product name which has maximum length. So out of all the product names, which product name has the maximum length? Next, let us see if you are able to do concatenation. I want you to join product name, subcategory and category from the product table into a column called product details. So your result set will have 4 columns: product name, subcategory, category, and the fourth one is product details, which is concatenation of the previous 3 columns. In the third activity, if you go and look at the product IDs in your product table, you will see it consists of 3 parts, which is separated by hyphens. Analyze these 3 parts, check the length of all these 3 parts, and separate these 3 parts out. So in your result set, what I want is your first column should be the product ID, the second column should have the first part of the product ID, third column should have the second part of product ID, and fourth column should have the third part of product ID. And in the last activity, you have to get a list of all the chairs or tables from your products table. So wherever subcategories, chairs or tables, I want you to get the list of all those products and aggregate those product names into a comma separated list. So in your final table, it will have only 2 rows. In the first row, it will have list of all chairs which are separated by comma, and in the second row it will have all list of all tables separated by a comma. If you are able to do this exercise, you have successfully learned the lesson taught in the string functions section, and you are now ready to move on to the next section.